Good day, class 3. Welcome back to our sunshine. Today we will begin with our chapter number 2, that is Joy in the Jungle. Joy in the jungle means having happiness in the jungle. Children, everybody likes to go to a forest. All the children, they love to go to the forest. So here also in this chapter we will go to the forest. This is a story about a Munu who is a boy like you. He is a village boy who loves animals and is sad, and he is very sad to see a rhino in pain. So here let us see what kind of pain the rhino was having and how this boy Munu, he saved that rhino and how he helped that rhino to come out of his pain. So let's read the story. Munu lives in a village near the Kaziranga forest. Very often, he roams around the jungle, riding on a buffalo. So, Munu, he lives in a village which is near a Kaziranga forest. Kaziranga forest means the name of the forest is Kaziranga. वो काजीरंगा फॉरेस्ट के एक विलेज के पास में रहता था. Very often means कई बार, कभी कभी वो he roams around the jungle. Roams means घूमता था, जंगल में घूमता था. Riding on a buffalo. Buffalo की बैक पर बैठकर, just like this, he used to ride on a buffalo in the forest. One day he finds a hollow piece of bamboo. Hollow means अंदर से खोखली. एक खोखली piece of bamboo उसको मिली. He looks at it. It seems strong and sturdy. He picks it up. उसको लगी ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है और कभी ना टूटने वाली है. स्टर्डी मीन्स जो कभी नहीं टूट सकती. He picks it up. उसको उठा लेता है. Now what do you think Manu is going to do with the hollow piece of bamboo? Let's see what he is going to do with the hollow piece of bamboo. Munu comes back home. He hands over the bamboo piece to his father and says, Papa, please make me a pipe out of it for me. Father makes a beautiful pipe for him. Now, when he comes back, he gives that piece of bamboo to his father and asks him to make a pipe. What is a pipe? Here, pipe is a flute, bansuri जिसको बोलते हैं. So his father made a beautiful pipe for him. Now Munu learns to play the pipe one day. While playing the pipe, so he learned to play the pipe, and एक दिन while playing the pipe, वो pipe पे बजाता he was so absorbed that he doesn't realize that he has entered the jungle. He plays the pipe to the delight of birds and animals inside the jungle. So he was so absorbed, इतना मगन हो गया वो pipe बजाने में कि he went into the jungle. जंगल के अंदर चला गया. और as he was playing the pipe, all the birds and animals, they were very happy to hear the pipe. Means to the delight of birds means birds और animals बहुत खुश हुए उसकी pipe सुन करके. As Munu plays the pipe, everything in the jungle begins to change. It gets filled with beautiful flowers. Munu is very happy. So जैसे वो pipe बजाता था, everything in the jungle, सब कुछ change होता गया. Beautiful flowers से भरता गया जंगल. Munu is very happy. Munu बहुत खुश हुआ. The birds also begin to sing. A troop of monkeys starts jumping with joy from one tree to another. Deer start dancing. The birds, they also started singing. Birds also began to sing. वो भी गाने लगे. Troop of monkeys started jumping with joy from one tree to another. Monkeys जो थे एक tree से दूसरे tree पर jumping करने लगे. Deer, they started dancing. Munu sees a herd of elephants. He continues to play the pipe. Looking at him, the elephants raise their trunks and begin to trumpet. Now Munu sees a herd of elephants. He kept on playing the pipe. When the elephants saw him, they heard his pipe. They raised their trunks. एकदम सून उठाकर they began to trumpet. Trumpet means जोर से गाने लगे. He goes near the lake. As soon as he starts playing the pipe, The fish in the lake begin to swim merrily. Now he goes near the lake, and when the fish in the lake heard his pipe, they also started swimming merrily. Merrily means dancing kind way. Very happily they started swimming. The tortoise, basking in the sun, jumps into the water. Tortoise आराम से sunlight enjoy कर रहा था. Basking means he was enjoying the sunshine. So and he jumps into the water with happiness. Munu spots 2 tiger cubs behind a bush. As he plays the pipe, the cubs start rolling over one another. Now Munu saw 2 tiger cubs also. They were behind the bush, and when he started playing the pipe, the cubs they also started rolling over one another. Rolling मतलब एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ करके खुशी से they started playing. He then notices a rhino rolling in the mud. Munu goes on playing his pipe. The rhino stares at him with wet eyes as if in pain. Now he notices, वो देखता है कि एक rhino है. It is rolling in the mud. Mud के अंदर roll कर रहा है अपने आप को. Munu kept on playing his pipe. Rhino जो था, he stares at him. Stares means उसकी तरफ काफ़ी देर तक देखता रहता है with wet eyes. Wet eyes means he was crying. He was in pain. Munu comes back home. He asks father, Papa, all the birds and animals in the jungle were happy to hear me play the pipe. But why was the rhino so sad? Now when he comes back home, he tells his father कि पापा all the birds and animals, सभी birds and animals बहुत खुश थे मुझे देख करके, मेरी पाइप सुन करके. But there was a rhino, एक rhino था, he was very sad. Father says, son, maybe the rhino is sad because the poachers come and kill them. They take their horns away. तो पापा said कि हो सकता है कि rhino इसलिए sad है कि poachers क्या होते हैं? Hunters होते हैं बेटा. So because he was sad because उनको पता था कि poachers आ जाएंगे और उसको मार देंगे और उसके horns ले जाएंगे, उसके सींग. poachers के लिए poachers जो हैं वो इसको सींग के लिए, इसके सींग जो horns होते हैं उसके लिए इसको मार देते हैं. Can't we save them? हम उसको बचा नहीं सकते? Why not? If we desire, we can do so. We must help animals when they are in trouble. अगर हम चाहें तो हम उनको बचा सकते हैं. जब भी वो ट्रबल में होते हैं एनिमल्स, वी नीड टू हेल्प देम. उनको हेल्प करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट डे, Munu goes to the jungle, riding on the buffalo to see the rhino once again. But she is not there. The rhino is trapped in a ditch. Her baby is standing close to her. He rushes back home and tells his father, Papa, the rhino has fallen into a ditch. Please save her immediately anyhow. Now next day, जब मनु जंगल में जाता है बफलो पर, तो फिर से वो देखता है, राइनो को ढूंढता है, बट राइनो वॉज नॉट देयर. ही वॉज ट्रैप्ड इन अ डिच, मतलब एक खड्डे के अंदर वो गिर चुका है. और उसका बेबी वो पास में खड़ा है. बेबी राइनो वॉज स्टैंडिंग देयर वेरी क्लोज टू हर. नाउ ही कम्स, फटाफट से भागकर अपने पापा के पास आता है और उनको बोलता है कि राइनो हैज़ फॉलन इनटू अ डिच. वो एक खड्डे में गिर गया है, उसको फटाफट से बचाओ, जल्दी चलो. Now Manu calls some villagers and goes with him to the spot. The rhino is lying in the ditch in a bad condition. Some poachers have trapped her with the motive to kill her and take away her horn. अब मनु के father villagers को बुलाते हैं and with them he went to the spot. Rhino जो है वो ditch में गिरा पड़ा है, bad condition में है. Some poachers आ रहे हैं. Some poachers ने उसको वहाँ पर कैद करके रखा है, उसको गिरा दिया है ताकि उसके हॉर्न्स वो काट कर ले जाए उसको मारने के बाद. द विलेजर्स डिग अनदर ट्रेंच बिसाइड द डिच. अब विलेजर्स ने क्या किया, उसी डिच के पास में, उसी खड्डे के पास में एक और खड्डा बनाया. द ट्रेंच सर्व्स एज अ पैसेज. वो खड्डा इस तरीके से बनाया बेटा कि थोड़ा सा स्लैंटिंग में बनाया, एंड so that the rhino can come out. The villagers lovingly stroked the baby rhino. अब villagers जो पास में खड़े थे वो प्यार से बेबी राइनो की पीठ पर हाथ फेर रहे थे. स्ट्रोक मीन्स पीठ पर हाथ फेरना होता है. And the villagers move aside to allow the rhino to come out, but the rhino doesn't move. Everyone is worried. अब rhino जो था, he was also afraid. वो इसलिए नहीं बाहर आ रहा था because he thought that these were the poachers. ये poachers हैं और मुझे यहाँ से निकाल करके ले जाएंगे और मुझे मार डालेंगे. इसीलिए राइनो अभी डर रहा था बाहर आने से. Munu starts playing the pipe. Hearing the melody of the pipe, the rhino stands up and slowly comes out of the ditch. अब मुन्नू ने क्या किया? It started playing the pipe. उसकी पाइप इतनी अच्छी होती थी, इतनी अच्छी, इतनी प्लेजेंट थी कि उसकी मेलोडी क्या होती है? रिदमिक साउंड, प्लेजेंट सी साउंड सुन करके राइनो चुपचाप से खड़ा होता है, डिच के बाहर आ जाता है. Munnu goes on playing the pipe. Slowly the rhino disappears deep into the jungle along with the baby. मुन्नू पाइप बजाता रहता है. धीरे धीरे राइनो जो है वो धीरे धीरे चुपचाप से जंगल में अपने बेबी के साथ गायब हो जाता है. मीन्स द राइनो एंड इट्स बेबी goes into the forest because it was saved now. Children, back exercises I'll show you in my next video. Goodbye.